Hi. Uh, it is around 8 o'clock right now, and my family is already here, and we are getting ready for Ganpati. I'm so sleepy. ऐसे एक्साइटमेंट में कल रात मुझे नींद ही नहीं आई है. So let's get up and get dressed and welcome Gannu ji. I have now quickly taken a shower. I have to get dressed really fatafat because in about an hour people will start coming at home. Ganpati time is honestly my favorite time of the year. I absolutely enjoy, and the one thing I'm supremely looking forward to doing is having modak. अभी ऑलरेडी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है सोच के. But let's quickly do skincare. So a non-negotiable in my skincare routine is vitamin C. I love using vitamin C in my skincare routine, and especially in my AM skincare routine, vitamin C is very important. The one that I'm currently using is by Dermaco. This is the 10% vitamin C face serum. This Dermaco 10% vitamin C is powered with deep penetration formula, which enables 70% higher absorption of vitamin C. This helps in reducing dullness, fights pigmentation, and just makes your skin look brighter instantly. I love how lightweight it feels with no stickiness at all. This formulation is safe and effective and designed by dermatologists, so I know that I can definitely trust this. To test the absorption of this vitamin C, I did a little test. I put a normal vitamin C serum on one side of this tissue paper, and I put the Dermaco 10% vitamin C face serum on another side of the tissue paper, and you can clearly see that the Dermaco side has been fully absorbed. You can see that it has coated all sides of the tissue paper, while the other side it has not really soaked in that much. So this really shows how deeply this can penetrate to give you great results. You can also use my code Shruti 2025 for up to 20% off on the Dermaco website. So definitely check this out. I've also applied a little bit of moisturizer. Another non-negotiable whenever you apply vitamin C is sunscreen. So definitely do apply your sunscreen also, even if you're indoors. So even if today I'm going to be indoors, I know I'm going to be using sunscreen. So even on a day like this, when I know I'm going to be indoors, never forget sunscreen. So I am just going to quickly put on some makeup and get all So I'm going to quickly put on some makeup, get ready like a desi queen, and let's get Ganpati started.